Here we go, little Bream Bomb. See what's out there today. Grab a bunch of minnow action. Ain't finding crap yet. Only have to change colors if I don't get none in the next spot. Looks like a pretty good bait. They're swiping at it. But it's mainly just these minnows right here. I don't know if you can see them. There's all kinds of them down there. 1 to 3 inches long. I put on the Ilgrimite. There's a bite. Got one. We got one that time, guys. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, awesome little rock bass. Heck yeah, look how dark that dude is. Oh yeah, first catch of the day on the old Bream Bomb. What a beauty. Let him go. And there he goes. Oh, sometimes it is. Ooh, we got real close to the edge there. There's one. Oh, guys, we got a bass. Oh, yeah. Nice creek bass. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Man, is that a smallie? That might be. Woo. Man. He's a fighting. I got my drag light and we're using 2 pound line. Let's see if we can get this guy in. Oh yeah. Maybe a little too light. One more clip tighter. Yeah. Oh baby. Oh, there he is. Woo. Yeah. Little creek smallie on the Bream Bomb. Heck yeah, guys. What a beauty. Nice little beauty. There he goes. Crocs on mossy rocks don't work too well. Let's try over here. It's a log over there too. That looks really good. Hey, we got one, guys. There we go. There's the infamous creek chub. There's the infamous creek chub. These guys bite on everything if they can get it in their mouth. There we go. Oh, you tied me up, boy. There we go. It looks too good not to be a bass over there. Come on. Let it drift on down to me. Yeah, nothing there. They're hiding pretty good. Now it's time to get the rocks out of the crocs. And the sand. Alright, we'll try to stay to this side so maybe they won't know I'm coming. I'm not seeing any fish, but sometimes they come out of the woodwork, guys. These creek fish will come out of the woodwork because they're used to shallow water anyway. Got one. There we go. Like that one there, come out of the woodwork. What we got? Little rock bass. One of my favorite creek fish besides smallie. Heck yeah, guys. Just a little bitty rock bass. We'll throw him back. See you later, buddy. He's off. There he goes. Hey, we got one out of that little hole. I need to service my reel because it is acting goofy. You get these wet and they are screwed sometimes. And believe me, it's been dunked. If you're wading in a creek and you don't get your reel dunked, you're doing something wrong apparently. Or maybe doing something right. There's one. There's another Rocky, I think. There he is. Man, we are on the Rockies today. Tell you what, they are beautiful though. Heck yeah. I don't even know if I have my camera set right there. Sometimes in the fish pop. Oh, there goes a big old bass. Here went a big old bass, guys. Take my bait. Oh, he didn't look at it. Ah, that was a bass. I bet that was a smallie, sure as crap. There he is. Got one anyway. Ain't the bass. Well, what do we get? Come on, buddy. Get up here. Another Rocky? Yep, another Rocky. I reeled him in too far there. Another Rocky though. Heck yeah. Another Rocky. Oh man, I usually catch green sunfish over here. Oh, there was some bluegills following it. Could be green sunfish. Oh, look at him right in front of me, guys. One of them's a little bass. Got him. Oh man, there might be a bunch of them might be bass. Is that a little spotted bass? Or a little largie? Took it right in front of me. Yep, little largemouth. That was spotted. Cute little guy. We'll throw him back. He ain't looking at it. There's one. What we got? What a green sunfish. What we got? Might be a long ear. It's like a long ear. Another pretty creek fish. Long ear sunfish. See you later. There's one. I think we got another one. Well, that's a little baby one. Oh, there we go. Look at the colors on this baby though. That is a green sunfish. Look at the black right there. Wow, that's a beauty. Heck yeah. Spots I don't like is when you get in the mud and it sinks. That's kind of what we're in right now. Feels like that's what we're in. Alright, we're going back uphill. Good. Let me check back behind here. Didn't really see any fish here today. Sometimes that's a deeper hole and they'll be in there. But we are almost waist deep there and it's not working. We got a fishing line stuck up in the tree. Oh yeah, oh that was a smallie. Oh crap. See if we can get him again. See if we can get him again. Oh man. I prefer it when I don't see him. I'll tell you right now. there he was again. Let's tighten that drag of hair. I seen him again. Darn it. No chance. I know he felt the hook that time, so he probably won't bite again, but it might be another smallie. We didn't get it. Way up there. Let's see, here's there we go guys. Got one on the cast. There's the rocks. It's like a long ear. Nice long ear sunfish. Little bitty guy. Great looking creek fish. There's a golf ball. Need some help? Little spinner bait, looks like. There you go. Just reel her in. I need to check, see what time it is actually. Probably gotta head back home to eat lunch. Oh, there was a bass. I prefer not seeing them. Things you'll see when you just get out there and go fishing.